traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 16th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly time frame, I still think this is all part of a ABC pattern. I think this is either an expanding flat or a running flat. If it is an expanding flat, I'm expecting it to go all the way up here. If it's a running flat, then I would expect it to go down here and make a lower high. Either way, I don't think it's that important to know the difference now because either scenario should lead to a pretty big uptrend on shorter time frames, especially. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave 2. This over here is the end of a wave 1. We have an expanding flat wave 2. Then I think we have a wave 1 of wave 3. This is a WXY wave 2 of wave 3. I believe that this is all part of a wave 3, and I believe that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all subdivisions of this big wave 3 of that expanding or running flat wave C. So going down to the daily time frame, boy, it's definitely acting so like something that possibly could have the end of a correction. I mean, it definitely does have 1, 2, 3 waves down. Didn't really hit a Fibonacci level very well, so I still wouldn't be surprised if it does try to make another attempt down. But the trend is up on all the higher time frames. We have a breaker structure on a little bit of a shorter time frame, so we definitely should be looking for longs for now and expecting that it could possibly continue the uptrend, all part of this wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, on the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like a downtrend. It looks like a correction. It looks like a downtrend. We have a breaker structure. We should definitely be looking for longs right now. I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here because these Fibonacci levels definitely could be areas of resistance. Now, if this end decides to make some sort of a three-way pattern up to a fib level, then a big engulfing move to the downside, it possibly could turn into 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then make a move to the downside, like a bigger move to the downside. But I wouldn't really plan on that and expect that because the fact that we're in a wave 3 on the much higher time phase tells me that it's probably more likely that it will just keep on trending up. And now that we have that breaker structure, we should be looking for longs on shorter time frames anyways. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, ever since we got this breaker structure back here, I definitely would be looking for longs in an uptrend for sure. Now, like I said, if it does go up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and give us a very significant bounce and a breaker structure, maybe something like this, then you can possibly start looking for shorts again. But I think there's a chance that this is the end of an ABC back here. We do have some really big news coming out this week, but for today, I definitely think the trend is up. The trend is your friend, and you definitely should be looking for longs. If this here is the end of a correction, then it will make new highs on the daily time frame, and it will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So until proven otherwise, I would definitely continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.